Hello everyone, we are at ITM exhibition and we are talking to Mr. Massimiliano Celeri from EFI Reggiani. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Massimiliano Celeri. I'm the sales responsible in EFI Reggiani for the textile division. And what else you want to know?
Okay, so what kind of products you are offering right now in ITM and especially for the Turkey market?
Okay, so Reggiani is a famous brand in the textile industrial printing world. It has more than 80 years of expertise in printing, digital and traditional printing. So today in ITM we are proposing the latest innovations that we believe will be the future of digital printing on textile. We are highlighting a lot the pigment printing, which is a process that is obviously shorter, environmental friendly for the printing on textile. So it will help companies to be faster in producing something. So from the moment that you receive an order to the moment that the order is fulfilled, it can be even the same day. And this is because of the pigment technology that we have developed, EcoTerra, which you can see all over our booth. And basically is a pigment with binder technology where we can avoid the preparation of the fabric, and then you can print and fix and finish in line the printing. What does it mean? We print with a spatial dryer where we fix the ink on the substrate, and then we have a spray device where we can spray on top of the fabric chemicals that can gives the same results of finishing after printing. So we apply softener, we apply binder, and so that we are sure that we can guarantee a very good level of fastnesses and hand feeling.
Okay, so how is the ITM exhibition for you?
ITM this year, I would say that is different than the last years. We see and we notice that there is a reshoring of manufacturer of textile towards to Europe or US. That means that here we don't really see much of investments at the moment compared to the former, how to say it in English, former shows. So in the past years. Anyway, Turkey remains an important player for us for digital printing and for EFI Reggiani specifically. I was saying that I repeat from ITM.
Yes.
Okay. So ITM this year we see that is a different show compared to the last edits, in the sense of since companies are nearshoring in Europe and in the US, we don't see as much as investments as before. And also this is given by the trend that fashion is pushing a lot dyeing instead of printed stuff. And as manufacturer of digital printing machines, we don't see the same demand that we used to have. Obviously, there is also tough competition from Asia, and that's why we are, pushing to developments on applications instead of machines only. But anyway, we got crowded days, as you can see even today that there are companies here discussing with our partners. To be honest, regarding innovations all over the show, we haven't seen much new, not only from us, I'm saying from other players in the industry. So let's see on the next ITM edit in 2028 how it's going to be.
Okay. So in this exhibition, what kind of customer has come? From which country has come?
That's a good point, because compared to the last edit, we have seen less companies coming from North Africa, which normally is an area where many customers are visiting. So Egyptian, Tunisian, from Morocco are not really here this year. And we have seen also a weak traffic from Middle East compared to the last year. Most of the attendances are from Turkey, obviously. And we have seen from neighbor countries like Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, but not, less people from.
So what is why should any customer buy Reggiani machine as compared to the competitors is available in the
Reggiani still remain one of the top player in terms of machine manufacturing, in the sense that our machines are extremely reliable mechanically wise. So, and that's why we were able in the years to sell a lot in countries where a reliable printer must be there, like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Turkey, obviously. Today, obviously, as you said, competition is there and is tough. But I would say that Reggiani, it still has, we will make it from scratch, okay?
Yeah.
So, what was your question again?
Why should buy a Reggiani machine? Yeah.
Say, exactly. Given the context of today, where many players are there in digital printing, we can say that Reggiani still remain an important partner for those that are looking for a reliable printer. So mechanically speaking, Reggiani remains one of the best machines in terms of quality continuity compared to other players, especially from Asia, so Asian manufacturer. But obviously today is tough because the competition from Asia is very, very cheap. Again, I would say that choosing a Reggiani is choosing a partner that not only supply machines, but supply also chemicals, a very reliable service, and a very reliable product.
Anything you want to say to the viewers or the customer who has not visited ITM or anything?
For those that they haven't visited ITM this year, I would say that next year we have ITMA, so the most important exhibition for textile manufacturer, machine textile manufacturer. So I would say that in ITM, innovations are not yet released. Why? Because next year we have ITMA. So for sure in ITMA next year we will see more. Anyway, regarding Reggiani side, what we are presenting and pushing and advertising in ITM is again the Eco Terra Pigment ink. So our all-in-one solution for pigment printing, digital printing, and a new product that we have launched this year, which is Eco Next Plus, which is a beltless machine, no needs of water, and that can print woven fabrics for home decoration or promotional items in textile with pigment with with a one-step solution.
Thank you so much for your time. I wish you